Arrive in style with this 2011 BMW 7 Series 740li. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: adjustable steering wheel, brake assist, floor mats, sun moonroof, power door locks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, and power driver seat. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.